up, guys? Chris here for GQ37 Project FX35. You know, I had the melted dash situation I've shown in a previous video, and I just recently got this dash mat to cover it up. I did something similar in my G37, so this is just something I came across. You can get on them on sometimes on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. It is a high quality, very thick dash cover. Now, it doesn't cover the whole thing and cracks and things like that, but if you have a melted dash, it's going to take care of that, because mine was very sticky. You couldn't clean it. I tried it. And so this is something that covers that up. It looks really nice. It even comes with a steering column cover as well. And you can get the stitching in different colors. If I would have known I was going to be doing the red interior, I would have done the red stitching on here, but at the time I wasn't sure if I was going to go black again or what have you. So I just went black on here. You can get it in an assortment of different colors, and it looks really nice. I had one of these on my G37 before I decided to recover the dash and get a new dash and all that. For what it is, this is about, with shipping, it was about 90 bucks coming from Korea, and it took a good month to get here. Just heads up. But for covering up the stickiness under there, I think it's worth it, because it was unsightly, and again, I couldn't clean it, just everything stuck to it. So covering that up, it looks really nice. It stays in place, and so that's an option for you first gen owners. Those of you that have the second gen, there's another option on eBay that's even cheaper. It's about 26, 27 bucks. It's coming from China. Now, I haven't seen it because I don't have a second gen, and I asked them, but they said it doesn't fit the first gen. But for 09 and up FX owners, that is an option too. Even if you don't have the sticky dash, but maybe you just want to protect your dash from getting that. If you, in addition to using 303 protectant, garage keeping it, using sunshades, that should prevent most of that. But just in case, they do make one for them. I'll put a link in the description for both of these. But this has been helpful for me, kind of a solution for covering up that unsightly stickiness. Not only is it ugly and sticky, but it also, because it's so shiny, it puts a lot of glare up on the windshield, which is unsafe. So this took care of that. Again, they call it a leather dash mat, but really it's just a high quality vinyl. But it doesn't put any glare up there. It's kind of a matte finish, no pun intended, on the dash mat. But and my old ones didn't have this. I guess they tried to put an Infiniti like logo on here. I kind of wish it was more square cut out, which I guess I could do if I wanted to. The one on my G37 was just squared and rounded cutouts, and I thought that looked a little bit better. But for what it is, I'm okay with that for now, until I get around to replacing the dash to get rid of the cracks. They're not that bad on this one. My G37 was horrible. It was all across that. So right now I'm just dealing with this, but there are a few around here, and I'll address that at a later time. But hopefully this is helpful to you guys. I will again put the links in the description, and see you guys in the next video.